Hi there, I'm Ashton from the Ashton Loves Life YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to connect Apple CarPlay using the infotainment system here. I was willing to show you Android Auto, but I do not have an Android phone with me, so let's just stick with Apple CarPlay first. So, for you to use Apple CarPlay, this is actually a wired system, so you need to have a USB connected to your phone. So I actually have a USB here. I'm just gonna stick into my phone. Here. Okay, it's charging. Okay, so let's say CarPlay mode. So this is how Apple CarPlay looks like. So you got your widgets here. So let's start out with the first. So you got your phone. You got all your contacts here, your favorite recent contact, keypad and voicemail here. So to get out the app, you just use this button here. Okay, so next up we have Apple Maps. Okay, so let me just turn on the location services. Okay, so I managed to do it. So you can actually use, you can two ways to type the GPS of the location where you want to go. So there's, you can search, you can use voicemail.
On it. Where would you like to go?
Navigate me to KLCC.
Sorry, I can't give directions in Malaysia in the car just yet.
Okay, so you can use Google Maps. Navigate me to KLCC. Okay, that's how you do it. So you got your master logo here, which actually kicks you out from Apple CarPlay back to the master interface here. You can use it by the rotary knob here to control the screen. I also forgot that you can use this to control your CarPlay also. You got calendar. You also got your Google Maps. You got your settings and WhatsApp here. You got Spotify, which I use here to listen to music. I'm not gonna play the music because of copyright reasons. So you got settings. You can actually adjust the wallpaper, change the wallpaper you like, and also you got your appearance, how you want the wallpaper to be like. You can put into dark mode also. You got your WhatsApp, where you can read messages for you.
Would you like me to compose a new message or make a call?
No, Siri.
One sec. Okay.
So this is how you use Apple CarPlay in a car, in any car that supports it. And the car that we are using earlier is a Mazda CX-5. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when a new video is uploaded, and you like this video. Thank you.